Good morning, dear tutor and partners of the course. Good morning, dear tutor and partners of the course First and Second Language Acquisition and Learning. This morning, I'm going to give my appreciations about Claudia's work. Okay, I believe that your work, Claudia, is well organized and it has cohesion and clearly expressed your thoughts on the hypothesis on language and acquisition. Your work is related to my work too. I agree with you when you say the learned system or learning is the product of formal instruction and it comprises a conscious process which results in conscious knowledge about the language. For example, knowledge of grammar rules. According to Krashen, learning is less important than acquisition, uh, because in real life communication is basically the main ability that serves as a channel in our daily actions in relationships. Besides, I'll also agree with you that technology is a great tool for teaching and learning a language. Teacher can build so many digital activities to motivate and carry out the assessments to reach better goals for the class.